I think ito yung sinasabi po namin from Lakas because we're talking about our party president. Ito po yung sinasabi namin sa Lakas na kung pag-uusapan po natin itong issue ng corruption na ito, dapat po base po yan sa verified na facts at base po yan sa mga ebidensya. Huwag po natin gawing plataforma ito na drama na kumbaga parang soap opera na alam mo niyo po yung mula sa puso na napanood niyo po yun. Parang ganun yun eh. May kalaban sikat yun eh, si Lina, tapos ginagawa ang lahat para mapatay yung mga kalaban niya. I mean, this is only happen in movies eh. I think my suggestion is baka sobra at ang tagal niya sa ibang bansa, wala na siyang ginagawa at nanonood na lang ng Netflix. I mean, it's something that is only happens in the movies eh. And kung ako tatanungin, I think the speaker, having served the House of Representatives for more than 3 years, all of us can testify that he has no inch of violence in his system. In fact, inaano nga eh, wala akong kabayo-violent itong tao na to. I can say that, no, for someone who has been working closely. I think DS Puno can also show that. I can also say that wala pong violente sa sistema ng former speaker. That's why the entire house voted him twice as a speaker. Dahil alam po namin kung gaano po yung ka-steady ng kanyang leadership at yung serbisyo po niya na gustong mangyari sa taong bayan.
Diba? Ngayon yung mga iba, yung kay Martin Romualdez. Well, ex-Speaker Martin Romualdez can talk for himself, no? Pero parang ang layo, sabi nga nila eh. Well, wala sa personalidad ni Speaker Martin yun eh. Na former Speaker Martin na magpapabaril ng tao. Ano yun? I mean, it's so, an accusation like that is so bad na kung talagang walang kabase-base naman, siguro wag na lang patulan, hindi ba? Pakita niya, where does he get that information from? Sino nagsabi sa kanyang ginaganon siya? Para at least matignan natin na mabuti. Because he is the most guilty of everybody and that is what all the investigators are saying. Tapos paniniwalaan natin yung mga ganyan niya. Di ba? Siguro naman na salain din natin yung mga dapat paniwalaan natin.